So please describe complete roadmap for mastering Google Ads. I'm learning from Skillshare, but what to do for practically, how to create landing pages, arrange domain hosting. Okay, so there's first of all lots of things you're trying to become an expert of. If you are just trying to do Google Ads, then you need to forget about hosting, domains, landing pages to a certain extent, yes, but don't go into building and creating landing pages for your clients unless you have got a team member who is good at it. All you do is focus on one thing only. If you want to design landing pages, do that. If you want to do Google Ads, do that. If you want to do video ads, do that. But don't try and do everything. So that's the first thing. The roadmap is a big map because Google is massive. You've got search ads, display ads, shopping, video, Gmail, all these different kinds of channels and networks. Focus on one, and then you will need to learn all of these in Google Ads. Slowly master everything. Again, to learn Google Ads, the best way to do that is to practically run accounts. You can only listen to so many of these online live streams or join courses and skill shops and Udemy's and all that. There's so much you can do until you don't get down in the trenches and start fighting. You will not become a soldier. You can train as much as you like, but yes, training is important. Learn the basics, the foundations, so that you know how to go from one place in the interface to the other one. Because I've quite often when I talk to agency owners or in-house team members, they don't know where the search term report is, they don't know how to set up negative keywords, they don't know how to set up the columns and so on. So you need to know your way around in Google Ads first of all. So if I tell you, oh, can you go to the keyword planner, you know exactly where to go, how to go. So that's the first thing you do. Once you master that, then you start either become an intern with somebody or a company or an agency and start building up your experience from there. Because at the end of the day, you're playing with hard earned cash, somebody's hard earned cash, right? And not only that, you may lose them sales. I'm not talking about you personally, Nisar. I'm talking about in general terms. Um, you may run ads for $500, but it's not that $500 which have been lost. It's the potential revenue and what effect it has on that company or that person which they were banking on, that okay, if I run ads I will get those results. Again, if you are working with somebody like that, you need to manage those expectations. Don't expect miracles from Google Ads straight away, because they might have a product which is not market fit. They've got no proof of concept. Their pricing may be completely out, whether it's too high or too low. Their landing page sucks. Their copy is not right. The buy button on the website is not working. So no matter what you do on in Google Ads, it will not convert on the website or the landing page. So there's lots of variables which you need to check off as you go along. So that's my humble opinion, is to make sure that you are comfortable first of all in um, knowing and how the interface is, where things are in the interface, and what it can do for you, what's available in Google Ads.